That is the Prince of Tone pedal right there, guys. I am Nathan Connor from the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition and Worship Calling. We got ourselves a Tone Master Tuesday on a Wednesday, as always, because that's when YouTube told me you make every strum count. And I want to give a shout out to my good friend David Lee, fellow worship guitarist, and he said, check out the Prince of Tone, see what you think of it, see where you land on that thing. And so that's what I've been doing. I've been playing with this Prince of Tone pedal, and this thing has been a treat. Kill that delay. So that the Prince of Tone is, or in the Tone Master Pro, the Royal Tone is based off of the Prince of Tone by Analogman, which the Prince of Tone is the little brother. It's the single channel version of the big brother, the King of Tone. But this pedal is super popular. Tons of artists use it that have some amazing tone with it. And it just has this, it's a very rare drive that really feels alive under the fingers. It doesn't just completely bulldoze the amp. You don't lose all the tone and characteristics of your guitar, your amp. So kind of like a transparent drive, but it isn't. It is technically an overdrive pedal, but it has a lot of those transparent drive characteristics, and I think that's why I kind of like it so much. But you can hear that, just the attack. There's just a bloom that happens there. It's not really a spike. It's just very amp-like. The mids aren't really pushed. They're almost, it feels like the mids are lifted. So imagine like if a vocalist kind of comes in closer on a microphone, you get a mid lift. That's how this pedal feels like. It feels like my mids are being lifted, not really pushed. And it's got that kind of grainy, in a musical way, kind of that grainy vintage tube amp like breakup. And that low end stays tight the whole time. Doesn't really get flubby. The highs just kind of have a shimmer to them. So it's not like a tube screamer. It's not like a Klon. It's not like, a distortion pedal. It's this very transparent-esque, rich overdrive that it feels like it's the second channel on a boutique amp. Not so much like a pedal. It feels like it's that second channel on some boutique amp I'm playing on. So yeah, it definitely keeps all your guitar's characteristics intact. The single coils are still going to feel glassy and sound glassy. Humbuckers are going to stay super thick. And like I said, it responds like an amp. It's kind of, you can really, your attack changes everything. You can really clean it up and then dig in. There's not a ton of compression. We don't ever kind of get into that square wave and lose all our articulation. It's not a ton of compression there. A little bit, but not much. And like I said, not much of that mid boost or mid hump like a traditional overdrive pedal is. It's not this huge not this huge mid hump that happens. Like I said, it feels like it's lifting the mids, not really pushing them out or a big hump. And so what I did is I went through a couple different combinations. There's a few really popular ones out there that people have used. And one of them was the one I landed on, which is the Klon. You're sending that Klon into the Royal Tone. Here's where I landed with the Klon. Let's just look at the amp. So this is basically just the Blues Junior LTD preset that I have in the cloud. You can get it. And so what I did is I've got my first stage is the Klon or the Mythic Drive. Right now, I'll eventually get this up in the cloud. It won't be immediately because I'm still having too much fun turning knobs, but I wanted to share where I was at right now. So right now, the Klon, I've got the gain at 23, my treble's at 82, the output is at 64. That's going right into the Royal Tone or the Prince of Tone, which I'm running a gain of 54, tone at 38, presence at 34, and volume at 67. And like I said, there's just something about this Prince of Tone. It just makes it feel like my amp just woke up and took a big deep breath or something. And what's crazy is, I mean, you could crank this gain. I mean, we could go 100%. We're still not losing articulation. There's still not this huge amount of compression that's happening. And I think that's why I really, really like it. So, just the amp. You heard it. First stage, we'll kick on the Klon. Then we can do the Mythic and the Klon stacked. And just the Royal Tone. You can hear that Mythic just kind of pushes those mids up a little bit, kind of pushes everything out forward, it feels like. And I'll tell you, even just that Royal Tone with the Ambient engaged, kick on a little delay there. Hear that dig in, that articulation happening. Just lighten my attack, clean it right up. Yeah, I love it. I love it. And even both of them together in the ambient sounds great too. Sounds great. So yeah, thanks again, David, for kind of heading me down this path. If you haven't caught any of the other drive stack videos that I've been doing, we've been having a lot of fun going through some really dominant popular drive stacks, doing it in the Tone Master Pro, just not necessarily trying to get someone else's tone, but just finding the combinations that are very popular and kind of making them our own. Just kind of chasing tone, having fun. So if you haven't watched those, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. Probably going to do a few more of those. Also been covering, the different drives. We went over transparent drives. We went over overdrives. We're going to go over distortions and just kind of what makes each category its own thing and some examples of those. So when you know what those are, when you know the difference between a transparent drive and an overdrive and a distortion, you're not just blindly picking pedals. You can kind of strategically decide what you want to add to your chain to hopefully get that tone that you're chasing after. So be sure to subscribe, check those out. You don't want to miss any of that. Like I said, once I kind of land on everything, I will eventually get this preset in the cloud. It will be called the Klon into Prince of Tone. Once I get it up there, I'll add a comment in the video. But yeah, download the Blues Junior LTD preset that I have. If you're in the Fender Tone Master Pro and have access to the cloud, just search Worship Coin. I have all my presets there, and you can download those. Add these two pedals in. Let me know where you land on it. I'd love to hear what other people are doing, or if you have a preset in the cloud, would love to check it out. And with that, as always, make every strum count, and I'll see you guys next time.